In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Stremio on Steam Deck. We're going to do this directly from the Steam Deck itself, and the process is simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, switch your Steam Deck into desktop mode. This is important because the installation process is handled through the desktop environment rather than standard gaming mode. Once desktop mode has fully loaded, you'll be able to use the browser and software tools needed for the setup. Next, open your preferred web browser in desktop mode. Any browser you normally use on the Steam Deck should work fine for this. When the browser is open, go to the search bar and type in Stremio, then run the search. From the search results, make sure you open the official Stremio website. It's always a good idea to double-check that you're on the correct site before downloading anything, especially when installing software. Once you're on the official website, look for the option that takes you to the download section. This is where Stremio lists the different versions available for various platforms. After the downloads page opens, click the Windows Download option. Even though that may seem unusual at first, this step is used to reveal the full list of available platforms. After that, scroll through the downloads page until you find the Steam Deck option. Take your time here and make sure you select the correct one. When you click the Steam Deck option, you'll be redirected to the FlatHub page, which is where the app can be installed in a format that works well on Steam Deck. On the FlatHub page, click the Install button. Your system should then ask you to confirm opening the installer in the Software Center, which is Discover on Steam Deck. Go ahead and confirm that. This will pass the installation over to Discover, where the rest of the setup happens. Inside Discover, continue with the installation and wait for it to finish completely. Depending on your connection speed and system responsiveness, this may take a moment, so just let it complete without interrupting the process. Once the installation is done, open Stremio from the application menu in desktop mode. That confirms the app has been installed successfully and is ready to use. And that's it. You've now downloaded and installed Stremio on your Steam Deck. Thanks for watching.